Everyone loves the luxurious part of Dubai, but I'm a more simple gal. That's why today I'm taking you away from all of the luxury part to explore with me 2 underrated locations in Dubai. By the way, if you're all about the authentic and cool experiences, you can't miss my previous video on the top authentic restaurants in Bur Dubai, or the one on the desert, which is an experience you must add to your bucket list. Finally, you gotta know that your support means the world to me, so please don't forget to like my content and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let's increase our family to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Now, no more talking, I promise, and let's get started. They call it the Dubai's eclectic beachfront. La Mer is famous for the diverse activities it offers to the public. It's suitable for adults, couples, children, and honestly, I think it's the perfect place for a fun date. Let me show you how it went for us. Hey guys, so it's so humid out here in the beach area that I can't even use my camera because it gets super foggy and I'm afraid I'm going to break it or something. So yeah, I'm not gonna have a lot of footage for the beach experience in Dubai, but I'll show you as much as I can. 5 guys? What's up?
What's up?
What are you doing? Thinking about crypto?
Yes.
So every local has been warning us about coming to the beach. They say it's too hot to be at the beach. It is pretty hot, but it's breezy. And the second thing that they keep saying is that the water is hot, so let's test it.
It's like a bathtub, like a jacuzzi.
That's not true.
No?
I mean, it's not cold.
But it's not boiling?
It's not boiling. It's like a little fresh. Room temperature water. So yes, you can come to the beach in August. Actually, let's pause right here. After a few minutes at the beach, we realized that it's too hot to come to the beach in August in Dubai. So it is hot. Like, it is hot, you know. It's weird because it's not like it's super hot. It's that I think the air quality is just not the best. The air is really dense and there's a lot of humidity, so you feel like maybe spending here like an hour or more, it's going to be too much. Nico says
It's too hot.
it's too hot. I say you can survive if you have great lungs and if you maybe are going to be like staying in the water for the most part. I want to say there are about 20 places to eat in this area. There are coffee shops, ice cream shops, restaurants, bars, whatever you need, you call it, they have it here. During our visit, we had lunch at El GRECO, which is a place for Greek food. It was delicious, and if you want to know more details, go check out my video on the top authentic restaurants in Dubai. To give you more details about Nomad, so far it's very quiet, there's not a lot of people. There are a lot of places, so it's a little bit sad that it's actually this lonely over here. I feel like if this was in Miami, it would be so busy right now. Okay, there's still more to see. Ooh. There is a cinema and there's also an escape room, which is really cool. Honestly, there are a lot of activities in this place.
This is like being in Star Wars Episode 1 on Tatooine.
Totally, I agree.
It's so cool.
enough space in my suitcase so I can buy some stuff. If you want to see what the Emirate was like before the oil bomb, come visit the Al Fahadi Historical Neighborhood. It counts with art exhibits, about 6 specialized museums, cultural and artistic societies, fabric shops, and a nearby textile bazaar, which, as you can tell, I very much enjoyed. I like the ones that are colorful like this. Yes. Yep, I couldn't contain myself. What do you think about this purse I got? Alright, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do a whole video in the bazaar because I got to the first store and I'm already buying things. And
These are 240 dirhams altogether.
240 lira. Should I do this? Uh-oh. I feel like I'm gonna fall into another temptation. I can see it happening.
State size also there.
Wow. For all of you girls are into healing, these are natural real stones. Alright guys, so we've been walking around for about like what, 2 hours? 2 hours, yeah. And it's not terrible with bad weather because everything's pretty much shaded.
They have shade over the roof. So it's hot, but it's not sunny or like miserable.
Not terrible. Yeah, it's doable.
It's breezy. Yeah.
It's breezy because it's also next to the water, and actually you can go take a little boat that costs 1 duran to take you across the river to the other side of the city. And in there are other bazaars. There's a gold city, which you can't miss, although I'm gonna miss. And the reason is because we work in like
20 minutes.
So we gotta run. See you next time. Some of us find happiness in the expensive cars, jewelry, and fancy restaurants. Others prefer the freedom of jumping around, living lightly, and getting their face full of ice cream. What type of person are you?